Hi everyone, myself Swapnali Chaugle from SBNM College of Pharmacy Mahad. Today we will be the learn about the part second of the swimming chapter is the recruitment training evaluation compensation of the pharmacist. In the part second, the learning objects are following. First part is the training of pharmacist, second is the method of training of pharmacist, third is the evaluation of the pharmacist. The training of pharmacist includes means the training is the organized process to increase the knowledge and skill of the candidate for a specific job. How training is needed for the any manufacturing industry or other industry. The need of training is required for the pharmacist to increase the productivity of the candidate. Next, to reduce the supervision required. Next, for a minimum wastage of material and to prevent the accident. Next is to increase the efficiency and morale of candidates and for other development of the candidate. There are the need of training for the pharmacist for improving the knowledge and skill of candidates. Next point to be covered during the training. First point is the organization framework, daily routine and special duties, rules, convention, policies of organization, next study of course material and literature and communicational skill, and the method of dealing with the objections of customer and extra knowledge about the technical knowledge is given by the pharmacist during the training. The method of training. Next point of the training having a methods. There are 5 methods. First is the job training. Second is the craft training. Third is the induction training. Next is the training promotion and refresher training. The job training includes to improve the occasional and professional skill of the candidate, and craft training means to improve the personal skill of the candidate, and induction training means to introduce new concept or modern methods, and training for promotions and refresher training means to revise the occasional knowledge of the candidate. Next point is the evaluation of the pharmacist. Evaluation means it is the systematic process for measuring the performance of the candidate in the term of job and requirement, needs and importance. Means the evaluation after the initial training of the trainee is a complete and appreciable performance, that is the evaluation must be done for a fair evaluation standard and performance must be established. Based on these, periodic appraisal of the employees are undertaken and their work evaluated fairly. This aspect is very important because it helps in identifying abnormally low level performance displayed by the employed, and it assists the fair compensation of the pharmacist according to the degree of accomplishment of the set of standard. And third is that the weaker point of the pharmacist can be detected and improvement can be done in the same. Employees with the good performance are motivated by a giving promotion as a incentive. There is the evaluation of the pharmacist. And next is it helps in increase the productivity and pharmacist for a risk of being fired if found insufficient. The need of evaluation includes for a comparison in workers, and next is the improvement in working of the workers, discussion about the promotion, demotion and layoff, and develop the confidence in worker. It is a psychological pressure on the workers are required. The includes of method of evaluation is carried out after the specific period. Either a marks and grades are given for each criteria and total is done. Summary record of each candidate is prepared and candidate with a higher marks shows great performance. Means the evaluation is a very important method for the pharmacist should be based on the complete employee record for comparison to expected standard. This help in the avoiding confused judgment. Should be coupled with the surprise inspection at a regular interval. It should be neither too infrequent not too frequent, since in both the case it will hinder with the smooth running of the drugstore. They should have a predetermined standard of the performance for the employees. A good evaluation system should encourage the employees toward above the average of performance, should be based on the simple and consolidated records. The evaluation system having two measurements. First is the achievement measurement and rating scale. There are two types.